So, yep, it's just I'm standing there, so I've already been in.
We're here really today to promote our brand awareness. Really, we've got some clients already within the credit and financial sector, so we're really just trying to see if we can meet some new customers and engage with our existing client base as well.
Credit Summit is one of the largest industry events, so we just wanted to be represented.
Yeah, it's tough, but it's been interesting and it's been a lot of fun, and we're doing all right.
The debt recovery industry often gets criticised, let's say, in times that are difficult. People think that it's boom time for debt collectors. That's not the case. There's all talk in the press of lots of debt washing around everywhere, but in reality, it's pretty much the same as it usually is. It's just tougher to collect.
Well, I'm amazed. It's 12:15. In the first hour, we've already spoken to at least 8 companies that look like they're going to be good prospects. So if we don't come out of here today with some good business, I'll be absolutely amazed. It's been great so far.
From Vodafone's perspective, this is the first time at the event, and really an education process. I want to tell customers we're not just a mobile company, it is really truly about total communications now. We've had a lot of success recently with financial companies, especially in the debt recovery area, and we have a lot of applications that really suit that particular customer base.
I thought the debate was a really interesting debate. Actually, we've had a varied range of questions, from credit rating issues, credit management issues, really interesting questions about banks and their the big issue of failure. Should we allow them to fail? And I think there were some really interesting opinions from panel members. So yeah, I thought it was a really good debate today.
I felt that there were some very prescient questions from the audience, and much wider, more strategic, business-oriented questions than perhaps I was anticipating. So that made me be on my mettle, and I enjoyed it. I thought it was a rewarding and very much an interactive discussion, so that was powerful.
So I'm just going to give you a little history on Debit Finance Collections PLC and run through the solutions that we offer, and then I'll take any questions at the end if that's okay. All right.
The second area I'm going to look at is computer telephony integration, also known as CTI. And that's the linking of the telephone system and the data network. So a simple example of this would be, if a call was ringing, you can now answer the call on the screen. It increases, again, the productivity of the agent.
Vodafone now deals with mobile email, remote access, the fixed lines, and what I'm going to come to talk to you about today is in the contact center space and outbound. And they also deal with unified communications. So Vodafone now deal with a great deal more in the communications space than just mobile networks.
Some of our customers, hopefully you'll recognise a few names up there. Please note Bupa. I'm going to talk about them later. But we have a fairly large customer base.
So, I mean, look around you, there's some people having some great experiences here, and from our perspective it's gone very, very well indeed.
You come again next year?
Very much so.
We've certainly had quite a lot of interest within the collections arena and some within the utilities sector as well, so it's been quite useful for us so far.
Fantastic. So come again next year?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
I think it's much busier than in previous years, which is great for us. This is the first time Wright Hassel have ever sponsored anything like this, so it'll probably bring us back next time round. And certainly make us do the one later on in the year to make sure that we continue that business development focus.
Yes, I mean, looking around here, it's definitely busier than last year. I would say it's probably, it feels like it's almost twice as busy.
We're here today to show the credit industry all about our tracing solutions at GB Group, and to meet individuals from the credit industry and see what's going on in the industry and where we can help them.
We haven't stopped all day, time's flying, so yes, it's been a great show.
Fantastic, so come again next year?
Absolutely, yes. This is our spot, we live here.
Great, well we'll see you there.
We always like the event, think it's very good for the credit industry. We really love that it's specific and exclusively for credit professionals. Our clients really like that, it gives them a great network and opportunity. A good change this year actually we found was the introduction of your commercial debates. I know previously it's been consumer, and our clients are very much more kind of corporate and commercial focused. So feedback we provided is that it would be good to actually provide something for that client base, which you've done, which has been great. The feedback coming out of the debate from the clients was that it was really good as well.
Obviously, this is the one event throughout the year where the great and the good of the credit industry gather. The audience coming to this is really the one that we want to strike a chord with, so it makes sense for us to allocate a large part of our marketing budget to attending this event.
So you're meeting the right sort of people today?
Absolutely, and I'm sure we'll meet more of them this evening.
I think in terms of the venue and the stand space and all that kind of thing, it's definitely improved year on year, so it's definitely an event we'll attend in the future.
So the aim of the game is to get in without any damage. So,
Fantastic.
But,
So tell me about this contraption here.
This is a 2-in-1 pick. This is an ERA 5-lever padlock or 6-lever padlock. It's an insurance rated padlock, and what I'm doing is just hand picking it. One of the levers here at the back is putting tension on the bolt, and then this other one is picking up the levers individually, and then that opens the padlock.
This year's been really good, it's been really busy, there's been lots of people around in between the exhibitions, so it's been very worthwhile.
Great, so you come again next year?
Yeah, definitely.
Well, one of the reasons we're here because Credit today very kindly makes us the charity of choice. So tonight, when everybody's having their lovely dinner, we will be collecting the raffle tickets. So we hope they're going to buy lots of them.
Fantastic, let's hope so.
The main event for us is coming to meet new people, new contacts in organisations, so that we can hopefully turn those leads into new work. We've supported this event for probably 10 to 15 years in its previous incarnations. We've always found it to be really, really useful.
More than happy to attend next year. We found it very fruitful. We have actually closed some business today as well, so always good.
We came for the first year last year, and it was a really successful event for us. Met a lot of current clients, and obviously we converted a lot of the people that we met into clients also. So we decided to come back this year. The audience that come, I think, are ones we want to connect with.
Yes, I think it was a very useful debate. Very good to have the Office of Fair Trading represented here today to give their view about their perception of their role in the market, how they can influence good credit procedures, and well worth listening to that today.
As a whole, the football's been pretty good. The timing's been excellent, starting at 11, so we get a little line before we start. I think it's a nice time to set up. And then we got the drinks and the awards tonight, which tops the nice day off. So.
Great.